Hello dear students, welcome to a new math session. In this session we'll be talking about the median of right angle triangles. In the right angle triangle, the length of the median from the vertex of the right angle is equal to half the length of the hypotenuse. In triangle ABC, where the measure of angle B is 90 degrees, BD is a median in this triangle. Then BD is equal to half AC. The converse of this theorem says, if the length of the median drawn from a vertex of a triangle is equal to half the length of the opposite side to this vertex, then the angle at this vertex is a right angle. In triangle ABC, where BD is a median, then BD is equal to DA is equal to DC. So BD is equal to half AC. Then the measure angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. Corollary: the length of the side opposite to the angle of measure 30 degrees in the right angle triangle is equal to half the length of the hypotenuse. So, as you can see here in triangle ABC, that angle B is a right angle and angle C is 30 degrees. So we can say that AB, its length is half the length of the hypotenuse, which is AC. Let's now move to exercise number 1. In this question we have two figures and we want to complete each of the following. For question 1, BD is half the AC. So BD is half the 10, which is 5. And AB is also 5 centimeters, where the perimeter of triangle ABD is 5 plus 5 plus 5, or we can say that it's 5 times 3, which is 15 centimeters. In question 2, AC, as given, AC is double the BD, which is also double the AB. So AC is 18 centimeters long, where BD is equal to AB, then it's 9 centimeters, and MD is 1/3 the BD. So MD is 1/3 the 9, which is 3 centimeters. Question 3, how can we find the length of DF? DF is 9 centimeters, where DE is also 9 centimeters, and FE is equal to 10 centimeters. So the perimeter of triangle DEF is 9 plus 8 plus 10, which is 27 centimeters long. Let's go to question number 4. AC is half AB, which is half the 12, that is equal to 6, where AD is also equal to 6. BC, in order to find BC, we know that AC is 6 and AB is 12, so to find BC, we do it by Pythagoras. So it's 12 squared minus 6 squared, then it is 6 square root of 3, where the length of CD is 6 centimeters. Exercise number 2, in the opposite figure, the measure of angle B is 90 degrees, where the measure of angle ACB is 30 degrees. Points EF are midpoints of AD and DC. How can we prove that AB is equal to EF? Since triangle ABC is right at point B, and since the measure of angle C is 30 degrees, therefore AB is half the AC, and we call this number 1. In triangle ADC, point E is a midpoint of AD, where point F is a midpoint of DC. Therefore, EF is half AC, and we call this number 2. From 1 and 2, we can easily tell that EF is equal to AB. Example 3, in the opposite figure, the measure of angle ABC is equal to the measure of angle of BDE, and they both, each of them is equal to 90 degrees, where the measure of angle E is 30 degrees, and D is the midpoint of AC. The question wants us to prove that AC is equal to BE. So we're going to say, since ABC is right at angle B, since BD is a median, therefore BD is half the AC. In triangle DEF, since it is right at angle D and the measure of angle E is 30 degrees, then BD is half EB. From 1 and 2, we can tell that AC is equal to BE. Example 4, in the opposite figure, ABC is a right angle triangle at B, where angle ACB is 30 degrees, and AB is 5 centimeters, where point E is the midpoint of AC. If DE is equal to 5 centimeters, then the question wants me to prove that the measure of angle ADC is also 90 degrees. So we're going to say that since triangle ABC is right at B and measure of angle C is equal to 30 degrees, BE is a median, therefore BE is half the AC, and AC is twice the AB, so AC is equal to 10. Then BE is equal to half the 10, which is 5 centimeters. After that, we say in triangle ADC, where DE is a median, and also since DE is 5 centimeters and the DE is half the AC, so therefore the measure of angle ADC is equal to 90 degrees as the question wants me to prove. Now, let's move to the evaluation part. In the opposite figure, measure of angle BAC is equal to measure of angle CBE is equal to 90 degrees, where the measure of angle BEC is 30 degrees, D and F are midpoints of BC and C respectively. The question wants us to prove that AD is equal to half BF. We're going to work now in triangle CBE. So we'll say that since triangle CBE is right at B, where the measure angle C is equal to 30 degrees, therefore CB is equal to half CE. Since BF is a median, therefore BF equals half CE. After that we say, since triangle ACB is right at A, since AD is median, therefore AD is half the BC, and we're going to call this remark number 3. So from 1, 2, and 3, AD is equal to half BF. Dear students, we came to the end of our episode. Thank you very much and best of luck.